Ever wondered what it takes to become a billionaire? How about becoming a billionaire by launching rockets into space or transforming the auto industry? If you're intrigued by these questions, then you've landed on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into the extraordinary journey of one man who did exactly that, Elon Musk. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a fascinating voyage that transcends the realm of ordinary. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. The son of May Musk, a model and dietitian, and Errol Musk, an electromechanical engineer, Musk's childhood was anything but ordinary. With an insatiable curiosity and an extraordinary intellect, he started showing signs of brilliance from a very young age. At 10, he was introduced to computers and quickly developed a knack for programming. By 12, he had already sold a video game he created called Blastar for $500. His education in Pretoria, however, was tumultuous. Musk was frequently bullied during his school years, but he found solace in reading and his dreams of the future. His fondness for science fiction, like Isaac Asimov's Foundation series, fueled his fascination with technology and the possibilities it held. And this fascination didn't just stay with him, it shaped the course of his life and the world as we know it. In 1989, Musk moved to the United States to attend the University of Pennsylvania. While studying physics and economics, Musk's entrepreneurial spirit began to shine. Alongside his roommate Adeo Ressi, Musk turned their 10-bedroom fraternity house into a nightclub to pay for their rent. A fun venture indeed, but it was merely a precursor to the empire Musk would build in the future. In 1995, Elon Musk and his brother Kimball Musk started Zip2, a web software company, with money raised from a small group of angel investors. The company provided business directories and maps for newspapers. In 1999, Compaq acquired Zip2 for $307 million. Musk's share from the sale was $22 million. Now a millionaire at 28, Musk could have lived a comfortable life, but his dreams were far from over. The next phase of Musk's journey began in 2002 when he co-founded PayPal, an online payment system, which he envisioned as the future of money. He became the CEO of PayPal and focused on growing it into a significant player in the financial industry. Despite facing multiple challenges, PayPal became successful and was eventually sold to eBay for a whopping $1.5 billion in 2002. Musk received $165 million from the sale. A phenomenal success, right? But for Musk, this was just the beginning. Next, Musk embarked on a journey that would forever change his destiny and the future of space exploration. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and space transport services company. The goal was ambitious: to make space travel affordable and colonize Mars. SpaceX faced multiple failures in the beginning, but Musk remained undeterred. His perseverance finally paid off in 2008 when SpaceX launched Falcon 1, becoming the first privately funded company to send a liquid propellant rocket into orbit. Around the same time, Musk joined a little-known electric car manufacturer, Tesla Motors, as chairman and later became CEO. Through Tesla, Musk aimed to prove that electric cars could be better than gasoline-powered cars. Despite a slew of challenges, including near bankruptcy during the 2008 financial crisis, Musk managed to save the company and launched Tesla's Roadster, the first highway-legal electric vehicle to use lithium-ion battery cells. But Musk's vision didn't stop with cars and rockets. He wanted to revolutionize the energy industry as well. He became chairman of SolarCity in 2006, a company founded by his cousins Lyndon and Peter Rive. SolarCity specialized in solar power system design, financing, and installation. It went public in 2012 and became the second-largest solar power systems provider in the U.S. In 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity, solidifying Musk's vision of a sustainable energy future. Beyond Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity, Musk has continuously pushed the boundaries of what's possible. In 2013, he proposed the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system in which pressurized capsules ride on an air cushion driven by linear induction motors and air compressors. He also founded the Boring Company, an infrastructure and tunnel construction company to alleviate traffic congestion through a network of tunnels. Despite facing numerous challenges and hurdles that would deter most, Musk has remained resilient and committed to his visionary ideas, thereby amassing a net worth soaring into the billions. The tale of his wealth is inextricably linked with the groundbreaking companies he built from scratch. The keystone of Musk's financial success lies with Tesla, the electric car and renewable energy company, where he holds more than 20% stake. Tesla's stock value has skyrocketed over the years, particularly due to its groundbreaking innovations and its commitment to a sustainable future. With Tesla, Musk not only revolutionized the auto industry, but also created immense wealth for himself and other shareholders. SpaceX, another of Musk's trailblazing ventures, has also contributed significantly to his fortune. Though SpaceX's financials are private, external estimates suggest that it's highly valuable, with valuations reaching tens of billions of dollars. Musk's significant ownership stake in SpaceX further adds to his impressive net worth. Moreover, in 2022, a surge in Tesla's stock prices led to a significant increase in Musk's wealth, propelling him to the top of the world's rich list. According to Forbes, he was the richest person in the world that year, surpassing even Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. However, it's important to remember that Musk's wealth is mostly tied to his company's stocks and assets, not liquid cash. Elon Musk's journey to becoming a billionaire is a tale not merely of wealth accumulation, but more profoundly of audacious vision and unyielding perseverance. His life's work has been about changing the world and our understanding of what's possible. Musk's ideas continue to push the boundaries of innovation. With projects like the Hyperloop and the Boring Company, Musk is exploring ways to revolutionize transportation on Earth. Meanwhile, his Neuralink venture is aiming to merge the human brain with artificial intelligence. Throughout his career, Musk has shown a relentless drive to turn his bold visions into reality. His life story serves as a powerful testament to the extraordinary outcomes that can arise when you dream big, work hard, and refuse to give up, irrespective of the odds. His journey offers inspiration to innovators and dreamers all over the world, proving that with tenacity, even the most audacious goals can be within reach. From a boy in South Africa coding his own video game to becoming one of the richest people on Earth, Elon Musk's journey is indeed a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's a roller coaster ride of dreams, dedication, risks, failures, and triumphs. His life is not just a story of becoming a billionaire, but of envisioning a better future for humanity and relentlessly working towards it. That's it for today's video on Elon Musk's journey to becoming a billionaire. We hope it inspires you, fuels your curiosity, and propels you to chase your own extraordinary dreams. If you enjoyed the video and found it insightful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing and inspiring content. Remember, each one of us is capable of reaching for the stars. All we need to do is dare to dream and have the courage to pursue it. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.